Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see about a problem on torsion. That is, in this unit torsion from the paper Strength of Materials for Mechanical Engineers, the calculation of elastic constants. That is, modulus of elasticity, modulus of rigidity, bulk modulus. So the given problem is a bar of magnesium alloy 28 mm in diameter was tested on a gauge length of 25 cm in tension. So a tensile load of 5 tons produced an extension of 0.4 mm and a torque of 1250 kg centimeter. Produced a twist of 1.51 degrees. Determine Young's modulus, modulus of rigidity, bulk modulus, and then Poisson ratio for the material under test. So take 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg and 1 kg is equal to 10 Newton. Right? This is the problem given, and we have to understand the problem that the material is a bar of magnesium alloy. The material is magnesium alloy and its structure is in a shape of bar. So its diameter will be 28 mm, right? And the length will be 25 centimeter. So we have to uh, clearly understand that there are number of dimensions, number of measurements. One of the measurement is in mm, one of the measurement is in centimeter, and one of the load of measurement is in tons. So we have to convert all these parameters into one unit of measurements, that is in terms of mm and Newton. So here diameter is 28 mm, same, no problem. And in case of gauge length, it is in centimeter, we have to convert it to mm. So 25 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, hence 25 centimeter is equal to 250 mm. The length will be 250 mm. So a tensile load of 5 tons. So for this conversion, these parameters are given. That is 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. So 5 ton is equal to 5000 kg, and 1 kg is 10 Newton, becomes 50,000 Newton. That is 50 kilonewton. And extension is 0.4 mm. So no need of any change. And torque is equal to 1250 kilogram centimeter. So hence it also should be converted in terms of torque, that is Newton m. And a twist of 1.5 degrees. So in the problem it is given in degrees, and while solving the problem you have to convert it to radians. Hence this value will be multiplied by pi by 180. So what are the things we have to find out? That is Young's modulus, E, modulus of rigidity, G or C, bulk modulus, K, Poisson ratio, mu or nu. It can be denoted by both the symbols, right? So for tension test, with the help of load and the length is given, the formula to find the extension will be PL by AE. That is extension del L is equal to PL by AE. So from this we can able to find this, the first one, Young's modulus E. So E is taken on one side, left hand side, and further things are taken onto right hand side. That is E. This relation become E is equal to PL by A del L. So first thing is, as I said already, the load is converted in terms of Newton. So that is 50 kilonewton, and length is in terms of mm, del L 0.4 mm. And as we know that it's a solid uh, circular cross section, hence area will be pi by 4 d square. The diameter given in the problem itself is 28 mm, hence area become pi by 4 28 whole square, and it can be substituted in this formula, right? E is equal to PL by A del L. So del L is given in the question 0.4, and the load is 50 kilonewton, and the length is 250 mm, and the area is pi by 4 28 square. So on solving this, we will get Young's modulus E is equal to 50.75 gigapascal, since load is substituted in this as kilonewton, and hence it becomes gigapascal. So E is equal to 50.75 gigapascal. And the next thing we have to find is that T by J is equal to G theta by L or C theta by L, that is the modulus of rigidity. Second thing we have to find is modulus of rigidity. It can be found out from the torsional rigidity equation, that is T by J is equal to C theta by L, and hence the T is required. In the question it is given in kilogram centimeter, and hence it is converted into Newton mm. So on conversion, torque becomes 12500 into 10 Newton mm, right? And theta is equal to 1.51 degree in terms of degree, and it should be converted in terms of radian, that is multiplied by pi by 180. And also the polar moment of inertia J becomes, it's a solid one, right? So pi by 32 d power 4 will be the relation to find the polar moment of inertia. So pi by 32, diameter is 28. So substituting these datas, we will get theta is equal to TL by Gj, that is T by J is equal to G theta by L is the relation, and it is converted into this one, theta is equal to TL by Gj. So G is equal to TL by J theta. So torque given in the data, and then length given, J polar moment of inertia pi by 32, D is also given, and theta. Hence all these datas are available, and on solving in this relation we will get G, that is modulus of rigidity, is equal to 19.65 gigapascal. Now we are going to find the value of mu or nu, that is Poisson ratio. So it can be obtained from this relation, since G modulus of rigidity is available, that is we had found out recently, and Young's modulus is the first parameter we had found. So in this relation the only thing unknown is this new Poisson ratio. So Young's modulus 50.75 gigapascal. Here the substitution in terms of gigapascal only, and 2 into 19.65, this one into 1 plus nu. So from this relation, on solving this, we will get nu is equal to 0.2723, that is the value of Poisson ratio. And finally the bulk modulus, so it can be obtained from this relation. So nu is found out, Young's modulus is found out, and the only unknown is k, that is bulk modulus. E is equal to 3k into 1 minus 2 nu, right? This is the relation between the Young's modulus and the bulk modulus, right? So 50.75 is equal to 3 into the value of the k should be found out, 1 minus 2 into nu is 0.2723. So on solving this relation we will get k, that is bulk modulus, equal to 37.15 gigapascal. So in this equation, sorry, in this question, it is given that a magnesium alloy will be the material, and the shape of the material will be a round bar. So diameter given, length given, a load given in the data itself, and what are all the data to found out is Young's modulus, rigidity modulus, bulk modulus, and Poisson ratio. So first thing we have found that E, that is Young's modulus, from the relation del L is equal to PL by AE, and the second thing is rigidity modulus G, and then third thing is nu, that is Poisson ratio, and finally the bulk modulus. Hence these are all the data we had found in this equation, in this question. So right, thank you.